Okay, this next game we're going to do is called Sound Effects, and I would love for Mike Wallen and Tricia Smithson to come on up front. If you are really, give me a hand. Come on, give me a hand. All right, now Mike and Tricia, you have a very important job here.
Good thing I took my drugs just a minute ago. Right there, buddy.
You two are each going to have a microphone, and you are going to be providing sound effects for our two actors, Paul and Brian. Okay, so we're going to give them a scene, and then we're going to ask you to do sound effects for them, and they will interpret the sound effects that they are hearing. You can, as they do sound effects.
Question?
Yes.
Do I do Paul?
Yes.
Because
You will do Paul, Mike will do Brian, and audience, how about a scene? Who's got a scene? Raise your hand.
Someone with a lot of noise in.
Subway.
The subway, like in New York subway?
Or like at
or
Subway.
like I'm hungry to sandwich subway. New York City subway. Okay, so you two have just gotten on the subway in New York City.
Your sandwich sounds a little crazy.
Gotta watch out for the bums. They're spitting and stuff.
I'm headed uptown. I was hoping to catch a baseball game later.
Hear the crowd?
It's the next exit. It's the next stop. It's the next.
Well, it sounds like the car's starting to break right now. Yep. I wish you were in the same car as me. It would be a lot easier to have a conversation.
Get out of the door.
I'll turn the radio down.
Get out of the door and come over there.
Go ahead.
And I'm telling you, do you ever make a good mom? What's the matter with you? I mean,
Just hit it.